If you have been looking for a way to generate clicks and impressions to your Adsterra direct link, not to worry right here, because the website you're looking at right now actually generates about 70,000 visits every single month just by utilizing Google directly right now. And if you do go on to analyzing this platform based on the similar web statistics, you will find out that most of its traffic actually do come right here from the United Kingdom. And you can actually take advantage of this right now to start promoting your Adsterra direct link. So guys, not to waste much of our time, this platform right here is called the freestuff.co.uk. And if you do head onto this platform, you can actually see a lot of freebies right here, which you can actually go on to applying for and actually getting right here. As you can see, this actually ranges from the free flora wall sticker to the free €100 liner perks card. You can see the free kitchen appliances for bird's eye and a lot more other stuff right here, like the free McDonald's phone wallet. I think €1,000 back right now, and you can actually see a lot of stuff right here which you can go on to gain for free via this particular platform right now. So the best part about this is that a good number of people posting right here, maybe about 40 to 50% of the people posting these offers right here for this platform right here are not directly free. They are actually free right now, but guys, those people that do post them actually do go on to generating some income right there by just people going on to claiming these particular offers right now. How they do that right here is just by utilizing the CPA marketing strategy. With CPA marketing, they actually do go on to maybe showing you a form. If you do go on to applying for this particular freebies right here, they're going to show you a form which you can go on to fill in. And if you do fill out that form, maybe by submitting your email address, your zip code, your phone numbers or credit card details, or maybe downloading an application, you are actually going to be generating leads for the companies right there. And if you do generate leads for such companies right now, the people that do post this particular platform or these offers right here on this particular platform actually do get some cool affiliate commission by doing so. But you also stand a chance of winning that giveaway right now. So this is actually an amazing strategy which a lot of people right here on such platforms actually do use. So guys, now that is done, you just want to come over to this other website right here, which is called the freeflies.com. And if you do head onto this platform, guys, you also find out that this is actually a freebies platform where you could also get some cool free stuff right here on this particular platform right now. If you do keep on scrolling, you'll be able to see lots and lots more of free stuff right here, which you could actually view the free sample. So guys, if I do select this particular product, as you can see right now, and you do keep on scrolling through, you will actually find out that right here in this section, to actually apply for this particular free stuff, you actually do go on to filling out the sample request form. And in filling out the sample request form, you're actually going to be providing some basic details, just like how I explained earlier in CPA marketing. If you do provide those basic details, the people that actually do post this particular free stuff right here or freebie on this platform are actually going to get some cool affiliate commission right there, and you also stand a chance of getting this free product right now. So guys, you can see that this is actually how this works right now. And basically what you want to do right here is that if you do go on to clicking on this free sample request form, you can actually see the form right here which you could go on to filling out. And if you do successfully fill out this form right here, the people that did promote this particular stuff are going to get some cool commission right now. So what you want to do right here to actually take advantage of this is that you just want to come right here and copy this link address to this particular page. And if I do copy the link address to this page, I'm just going to come right here to my notepad and actually do go on to paste in that, or you could just simply use any platform of your choice where you can easily save this particular link. And if I do save this link right here, I'm then going to head back to this particular platform called the Adsterra.com to actually go on to getting my Adsterra direct link. And then you can just simply come right here, make sure you do sign up as a publisher if you don't have an account, and if you do have an account, log into your publisher account, and right here you can see that this is my account. I'm just going to go onto the direct link section, and right here in the direct link section, as you can see, I already have a direct link right here. If you don't have one, just simply come right here, click on create direct link. If you do click on create direct link, make sure you do come right here, click on the non-adult content or category right here, so that will actually help you go on to removing the erotic ads. And if you do that right here, you could just simply click on add and your direct link will be created. What you want to do right now is to copy the link to your direct link right here. And if you copy the link to your direct link, just simply head on to your notepad And right here in my notepad, I'm just going to paste in the link right here to my direct link. As you can see, this is my direct link right now. So I'm also going to save that in right here, and once that is actually saved, I'm going to head on to this platform right here, which is called the Linktree. And this is actually an amazing platform which you can actually go on to using in the form of a landing page right here. This platform called Linktree can act as a landing page where you can actually use a single link to go on to representing multiple links right now. And if you do head onto this platform, you could create an account for free and go on to setting up the details to your account right now. And right here guys, once my page loads up, to add that particular link right here, I'm just going to click on add link, and I'm going to paste in my direct link right here in this section. And once I do paste in my direct link, I'm just going to click on add, and once that actually loads up, my direct link has actually been added. I can then just simply go on to editing the title right here to something quite amazing. So guys, I can just simply head on to this section and just simply add this right here, which says grab a free offer here. And once this has actually been added, I can then just simply go on to clicking on add link once more. And right now guys, I'm just going to go on to copying the link right there to my that particular product right there, which I'm actually going to be promoting right now. If I do copy the link right now, which is this particular page, the link to this page right here, if I do copy the link, I'm going to head back here, paste in that particular link in this section, click on add, and if I do that right now, I'm just going to go on to renaming this particular post right now. So guys, once I actually do name this right here, I can then just simply go on to this particular section and do click on share and copy my Linktree link right now. If I do go on to paste in my Linktree link in a new tab right now, you'll be able to see how that particular landing page or Linktree is actually going to go on to looking like. And you can see right here that this is how the Linktree actually looks like. I can then just simply click on this right here, which will take me to those. This one right here will take me to my direct link, while this one actually takes me to that particular product or freebie which I'm promoting right now. So if I do copy this link right now, I can then just simply try as much as possible to promote that by heading back to this platform right here, which is called the freestuff.co.uk. and what you want to do right now is to just simply scroll down to the bottom page. And if you do scroll down to the bottom page, this section right here which says submit, you want to just simply go on to clicking on that. If you click on that right here, you can then just simply follow the necessary procedures right here, as they are actually going to walk you through the step of which you can actually do go on to adding that particular link right here, or promote that particular link as a free stuff on this particular platform. So you want to just simply take advantage of that and actually start using that to drive a lot of traffic to your Adsterra direct link. And guys, that's it for now. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bells was turned on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.